The great thing about typing the circle command is that it doesn't matter what snaps you have turned on. It's still going to work the way you expect it to. As you can see, I have a lot of object snaps turned on. So if I try to use the circle tool, then it's going to snap to everything. So now I'm going to delete this and use the circle command. And here's the dog. Add a few more circles. Okay, now this is the complicated part. I need to draw some vertical lines going straight up from this curve. It has to start at the edge of the circle and go up vertical to this center line. I need to do this. The tricky part is how I use the line tool and get it to snap to the place I want. Currently it's snapping all over the place, and I really want it in between these two squares. Down here in the toolbar, we're going to have to change some of these options in order for this to work. First thing, I need to turn grid snap off. There we go, it's off. And I need to know what my object snaps that I'm using are. Currently I have all of these on. I have no idea what it's trying to snap to. So let's turn this off and think about this menu here. I have endpoint, that's not really going to work. The one that I need is nearest. It's down here. I'm going to click on nearest. And I also need to toggle on orthogonal mode.
Or what?
Orthogonal mode. Don't forget that part. Okay, so I'm going to try to start from the top. Start here, and I go down and snap to the side, and that didn't work. Undo that. Let's try again. We'll do the same thing, but this time I'm going to start from the bottom. Did you see that? When I clicked undo, it actually reset all my menu options down here and undid the work that we just did. So I'm going to start from the bottom here and go up. And it is orthogonal just like I wanted it to be. Next, I'm going to use Arc tool. Up here you got several menu options, but I'm going to use the first one, which is a 3-point arc. And I'm going to draw an arc over here. And I want it to be kind of a long, slightly curvy arc. That's not working because I have on ortho mode. In order for this to work, I need to turn off ortho mode. So I'll delete this, turn off ortho mode. Let's try again. I'm going to snap to my object and then draw a long, slightly curvy object. Now I need another slightly curvy object attached to that, and I need to snap to it at the end. The nearest object snap might work here, but it's not the best option. If we go down to our object snap menu, you'll see we actually have endpoint. Endpoint is the better object snap for this. When I mouse over, you see the green square appears. That's the endpoint snap. So we'll endpoint snap here, and we'll nearest snap over here. And that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to use the ellipse tool, and I want to turn my object snaps off and turn back on orthogonal snap. There's a nose. And there are the eyes. The mirror tool is a very useful tool. Click it. Select the objects you want to mirror. Hit enter. Select the line you want to mirror across. I've used grid snap for this. Amazing. For the finishing touch, we'll use the trim tool.